3, 2.9er, altimeter 3002. ILS runway 25 right, approach and use, landing and departing runway 25 right, runway 25 left. Notice to airmen, use caution for multiple cranes, 1 mile southeast of the airport, surface to 185 feet AGL. Current advisory is in effect. Use caution for mowing adjacent to taxiways and runways. Advise on initial contact, you have information Gulf.
Lima ground, Skyhawk 138 uniform, I southeast hangars, request taxi 25 right. With information go.
Cessna 1387 uniform, Livermore ground, runway 25 right, taxi via Kilo Bravo.
Taxi via Kilo Bravo, 87 uniform, 25 right. Так, обороты 1700. Обороты 1700. Обороты 1700.
Livermore ground, experimental 649er Lima, south hangars, taxi, take off, traffic with Gulf.
Дроп 50. Левый магнето. Дроп 50. Engine instruments check, green, да, green. Карбюратор hit check. Меньше 50 дроп. Альтернатор 14.3. Аппарат нормально. Throttle, idle.
Venus 59er Zulu cross runway 25 left and 25 right at Texas Charlie. Continue via Juliet to the northeast hangars.
592, cross both runways and take Juliet to the northeast hangar.
Departure у нас 25 right.
Livermore ground, experimental 649er Lima, south hangars, taxi, take off, close traffic with Gulf.
Experimental 649er Lima, Livermore ground, runway 25 right, taxi via Kilo Bravo.
25 right, Kilo Bravo, 49er Lima.
Livermore ground, Skyhawk 1387 uniform, request flight moving to Byron practice area.
Cessna 87 uniform, squawk 5356.
Squawk 5356, 87 uniform. Skyhawk 138, Livermore Tower, Skyhawk 137 uniform, request takeoff right downwind departure.
Cessna 1387 uniform, Livermore Tower, hold short, runway 25 right.
Hold short, runway 25 right, 87 uniform.
Cessna 87 uniform, wind 3005, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff, right down departure, approved outside of the Cessna in the upwind, making right traffic.
Runway 25 right, clear for takeoff, right downwind departure, 87 uniform.
Cessna 448, runway 25 left, clear for the option wind 2906.
Clear for the option 25 left, 448.
Cessna 87 uniform, contact NorCal 125.1.
Contact NorCal 87 uniform.
Livermore Tower, 90396 Hotel, holding short, 25 right, ready for right now into market.
3000.
Flight 20, radar contact 5 miles south Byron Airport, talk to altitude 3000 south, 252. position, check, daylight tire, 35.
November 7 Kilo Bravo, contact approach 120.905.
2095, over 7 Kilo Bravo. Traffic inside 200.
Local approach, Skyhawk 1387 uniform, student pilot. Altitude 2,900, climbing 3,500.
Number 1387 uniform, northbound departure, IDEM, maintain VFR out of below 3,000.
Identified uniform.
Number 200 traffic, no factor.
200.
Number 87 uniform, radar contact 2 miles northeast, Livermore Airport, Fox Officer 3000, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, Dutchess 3,700.
Number 300, uniform.
November 87 uniform, appears you do not stay below 3,000 as per instructed. Traffic is no factor, resume appropriate VFR altitude. November 87 uniform approach.
87 uniform, say again please.
87 uniform, cancel altitude restriction.
Altitude 3,500.
Так, deep turns. Еще отлететь от аэропорта. Maneuvering speed 97 97 knots. Maneuvering speed. Мы почти долетели до практис-серии. В целом долетели, можно сказать, вон Байрон далеко, у нас уже 45 градусов. Какой-то мель непонятно, вокруг самолетов нету. Так, clearing turns, надо экзаменатору сказать. И начать поворачивать. Да, у нас почему компас непонятно вообще всю дорогу. Давайте еще немножко пролетим. Так, мы в практис-серии в целом. Ну что, ребятки, высота 3600. Маневринг спид есть. Поехали. 45 градусов. Перед тем, как мы поворачиваем, надо что-то подтренить.
SoCal, Cessna 737, Mike, Foxtrot 5500.
Скорость 80 узлов, высота 3540. Делаем clearing turns.
That as the initial approach fix.
Number 737 Mike Foxtrot, northbound approach. Fox Ultimate 3000, maintain VFR advised that you escaped from weather for Calaveras and
Where's South Marcus? I'll advise when I have the weather for Calaveras 737 Mike Foxtrot.
Смотрели. Теперь направо и смотрим.
40 Mike, 9 miles from Ipswich, turn left lane 320, maintain 3,000 southbound from advised, cleared ILS, runway 29 right approach.
Так, 13. 1300 плюсом. Лететь.
Heading 320, direct, or intercepted, it's the cleared ILS advisor 29 approach.
Clearing turns. Так. Окей. Все, clearing turns выполнили. Высота 3525. Чуть потеряли высоту, ничего страшного. Так. После clearing turns теперь делаем чистое, делаем 45.
November 49020, contact approach 121.3.
121.3, 49200.
Так, чуть-чуть потеряли.
November 8 Golf Sierra, maintain 3,000.
3000, hey, Golf here.
Number 4940 Mike, contact Stockton Tower.
Contact tower for 40 Mike.
SoCal approach, Spartan 630, level 5,500.
630, NorCal approach, Stockton Altimeter 3000.
3000, Spartan 630.
Where's their Mike, contact Stockton Tower.
Afternoon approach, Idaho 81. Headed to the Modesto area.
81, NorCal approach, Stockton Altimeter 3000, we're on station.
Так, обратно набрать высоту. Так, высота 3500. 60.
And approach Idaho 81, checking in level 4005. This is going to go south of the Modesto area. I'll let you know when I'm on station.
Roger.
Так, correction. Я должна давить вниз. Радар. Ах, что это было? Драфт какой-то. Пугаете меня, не пугайте.
King Air 4 Golf Sierra radio check.
3500.
King Air Golf Sierra, line clear, honey. Doctor's all things. And approach 4920 Sierra, still not able to get NorCal on 121.3. Can I tell me the frequency? Yeah, it's 4920 Sierra, I'm still not able to get NorCal on 121.3.
King Air Golf Sierra, turn right heading 00 to maintain 2000.
200, down 2000, Golf Sierra.
Так, мы набрали сотку, блин. Сейчас 3600 держится. Все, 3640. Steep turn to the right. Дали банк. Тянем. Так. Чуть-чуть набрали, но в пределах разумного. 20 нот, 20... 23 тысячи, сколько там, блин? Теперь to the left. 3625.
Cessna 941 Tango Whiskey, we have the runway at Concord in sight.
Tango Whiskey Squawk VFR, if you change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, thank you, 941 Tango Whiskey.
Line 630, contact approach 120.95.
Runner 120.95.
О, 3600 было, 3600 осталось. Красава. Красава. Это налево было, да? Чуть-чуть отлетим. Чуть отлетим от Байрона. Этот 3600. Давайте heading индикатор настроим сюда. Так, время. Окей, теперь направо сделаем steep turn. Steep turn to the right. Steep turn to the right. Altimeter 3620. Steep turn to the right. Rudder, bank. Pitch up. Pitch up.
6001 Julie Kilo.
Okay, 3600. Okay, 45 degree, 90 degree. And повернем 90 градусов, да?
NorCal Skylane 182 Charlie Papa.
3616. 3616.
The Linden VFR request flight following Hayward Airport. Right, 182 slant call 6500.
Skylane 182 Charlie Papa NorCal approach Squawk 0366.
Squawk 0366 182 Charlie Papa.
NorCal, Seneca 417 good. Departure of 382, 6500, climbing 4500. Requesting flight following for maneuver VRPA 34.
Up. Updraft.
107 Romeo NorCal approach, altimeter 3000 information, Charlie's Fernac, Council Airport, they approach flight.
3000, and we'd like the...
Так, высоту сотку потеряли, да?
Northern approach, 78904 Board. We are requesting GPS runway 1 at west over west full stop, and we have the weather for west over.
Окей, 3600. Keep turn to the left. Вот, больше 45 до. Да, блядь, 3600 же был.
November 0 Alpha Kilo, descend and maintain 2000.
And maintain 2000, sir, I'll go.
Ладно. Еще один и возвращаемся, наверное. 3560.
Charlie 285, Charlie Sierra, NorCal departure radar contact, altimeter 2999.
2999, watch out here. NorCal Cessna 737 Mike Foxtrot entering the procedure turn at Woburn.
Track 1067, contact approach 120.95. Career track 1067, contact approach 120.95.
12095 to track 1067.
Cal 78 Golf 6500.
37894 Golf, cleared approach.
78904 Board.
NorCal approach, fly to 578 Julie Zulu 5500 VFR Modesto.
Number 578 Julie Zulu, NorCal approach, altimeter 2999.
2999 Julie Zulu.
Так, 3540. Давай еще раз налево.
NorCal approach, Cessna 494 Sierra Papa, 5500. November 494 Sierra Papa, NorCal approach, please Stockton altimeter 2999er. 2999er, Cessna 494 Sierra Papa.
Change circulation is equal to approved. 79 forward.
Ладно, полетели. Домой, может, пару посадок сделаем.
Local approach, 87 uniform, heading back to Livermore.
November 87 uniform, roger.
Negative 19er, altimeter 3002. ILS runway 25 right, approaching east, landing and departing runway 25 right and 25 left.
November 1387 uniform, radar service terminated, contact Livermore Tower.
Contact Livermore Tower, 87 uniform.
Антис взяли, у нас альтиметр 3002. Так, что вам рассказать? Он там.
Cessna 904, stay altitude, climbing 2.
Внимание.
3500.
All Diablo. Russia Peak. Ultimate pass.
Livermore Tower, Skyhawk 1387 uniform, request landing, options, 2 cars. Yep.
Aircheck 587, contact NorCal 125.35.
Contact 125.35, get into 587.
Cessna 50 Mike, contact ground.
Over ground, Buster Mike.
Cessna 1387 uniform, Livermore Tower, make straight in, runway 25 left, verify you have information hotel.
Information hotel, make straight in, 2 cars left, 87 uniform.
Вот как узнать, сколько я там от аэропорта? Потихонечку высоту будем терять. Так, пролетаем над ветряками. Летим к озеру какому-то там. И потом повернем направо. Настроить лендинг.
Cessna 87 uniform, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 3 miles, 3,500, indicated northeastbound, type unknown.
Looking for traffic, 87 uniform.
Ага.
Cessna 87 uniform, that traffic is 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 3,500, indicated now northeastbound, type unknown, additional traffic 11 and 12 o'clock and 3 miles, 3,400, indicated northbound, type unknown. Runway 25 left, clear for the option on the go left, so traffic approved.
Runway 25 left, clear for the option, 87 uniform.
Cessna 87 uniform, and that traffic's heading to your right, mile and a half, 3,500, indicated northbound, Cessna.
Looking for traffic, 87 uniform.
Cessna 87 uniform, squawk VFR.
Squawk clear for 87 uniform.
Right downwind, 425 right, 130.
Так, высота у нас 2500, 2600. Скорость скинули, можно включить флэпс 10. Подлетаем, высота у нас 2200. Flaps 20.
Number 49 Lima, runway 25 right, clear to land, wind 2306.
Так, mixture reach. Так, 900.
Right, clear for takeoff, you'll call the left turn, 988.
Crew check 658, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles northeastbound 3,800, indicated Cessna.
Yeah, looking for them, crew track 658.
November 49 Lima, same type aircraft.
We're an RV6.
Roger. Swing 4 Delta Zulu, RB to follow is approaching a 2 mile.
Roger that, Muscle Delta Zulu.
Track 658, number 3, follow swing, midfield, right downwind, runway 25 right, clear to land, wind 2307. 25 right, clear to land, number 3, clear track.
Traffic, 5 o'clock, high, less than 1 mile, level.
Cessna 87 uniform, when able start in early left turn, your number 2, follow Archer, approaching left base, runway 25 left, clear for the option, wind 2307.
Follow the crossing, 87 uniform, 25 left, clear for Dolphin.
Cessna 86 number 3, follow Cessna, turning left cross, runway 25 left, clear to land. 25 left, clear to land, stop. Crew track 658, traffic to follow, slings at your 12 o'clock, 1 mile, 1,300, indicated on right base. Cessna 87 uniform, number 1 for 25 left.
Number 1, 25 left, 87 uniform.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile, level.
Sling 4 Delta Zulu, turn right when able, contact ground.
Exit to Delta, contact ground, Delta Zulu.
Archer 965, follow Cessna, 3 mile final, runway 25 left, clear for the option, wind 210 at 5.
Follow Cessna, 25 left, Archer 965.
Traffic, 4 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
Wind 210 at 6. To the 4 Whiskey Golf, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
High, less than 1 mile.
Line up and wait, runway 25 right, 4 Whiskey Golf.
Кайф! Ладно. Заканчивать будем.
Cessna 87 uniform, turn left at golf, contact ground.
Turning left at go, contact ground, 87 uniform. Zero ground, Skyhawk 87 uniform, 1387 uniform at golf, request access to South East Angers.
Cessna 1387 uniform, Livermore Ground, South Angers, taxi via Lima Kilo.
Taxi view Lima Kilo, 87 uniform.
Livermore Ground, crew track 472 at ATP with information hotel, taxi 25 right.
Crew track 472, Livermore Ground, runway 25 right, taxi via Juliet Bravo.
Taxi via Juliet Bravo 25 right, crew track 472.